Hello everyone, my name is David. I am the CEO and founder of Aerial Backup. We add value to the drone industry by analyzing images they take. Now I'm going to show you one of our customers, Mike. Mike is the average farmer in the US. He actually is responsible for the production of all the food we eat every single day. 3 years ago, a huge drought killed half of his crops, and there was actually nothing he could do. This drought costed the government $14 billion only in aid. So that's why Mike realized he needed to keep a close eye to his fields. He hired a drone company to do a mapping in order to prevent this from happening again. This is what he got from the company: a simple static image. You see, the image shows clearly the spots that were affected by the drought. But Mike already knew this. What he really needed was to know the exact area and how much money he was losing with this spot. If Mike wanted to find out how much money he was losing, he still needed to go out there and measure them all by hand. So that's why he approached to us, because a simple image was not enough for him. We helped him solve this problem. After we did this with Mike, we thought, wow, there are many farmers out there that really need this. So with that in mind, we created Aerial Backup, a data processing platform that allows users to upload images and videos, do processing on them to get metrics, and then make smarter decisions. We use 16 combined proprietary algorithms we developed to convert the row of plants from Mike's farm to an image a computer understands. This process is called skeletonization. Some other competitors, we're really excited to be doing this because we stand in a very special position between three impressively fast-growing markets: computer vision, big data, and drones. And guess what? We just happen to combine all three of them into Aerial Backup. We want to help big markets make big decisions. Other competitors focus on either selling drones or offering drones to acquire images. So that's why we want to be really good on making sense out of those images and getting real data. How are we doing this? Well, we enable and we do partnerships with these drone service providers. That way we don't have the hassle to have the drone or perform maintenance in them. Then that way we offer a quick service to our clients and we provide the information they need that otherwise would take weeks or even months. Since we have lots of data, we are able also to generate industry trends that we later sell to government or large corporations. At this moment, we have paid return customers, both in private and government. And we have also received some term sheets from important BCs in Mexico. At the moment, we are targeting $2 million. At the moment, we're looking for $2 million to enable 10 drone service providers. Our goal is to map 500,000 acres by 2016. This money, of course, will also be useful to strengthen our partnerships and our global presence. Now, I feel really lucky to have in my team distinguished advisors, PhDs in robotics and plant genetics. And also, we formed a team of 12 awesome entrepreneurs that trusted us 2 years ago when we barely had money to pay ourselves. Now, before I let you go, I want to let you know that it's not only agriculture that uses our solution. There are other industries out there, and guess what? They are using drones, and they need data. So we're just starting off with agriculture. This is getting pretty big, and you You don't want to miss it. Thanks.